Hi, good morning everyone, and welcome to Stock Navigator Private Trading Room. Today is November 18, 2019. I was out of town for the last couple of weeks, so you guys missing me? All right, so let's get started. All right, I just get back, okay, over the weekend. So let's take a look to see how the market doing. So first of all, look at the E-mini SP 500. So far the market is still very bullish, but we are at the market extreme right now, so we have to be a little bit careful. Okay, because anytime, any moment now, even though it's bullish, but the market it can be ending up this way, and they do some correction a little bit before they can go higher. So if you look at the smaller time frame, the market it puts it back down and come back up. So right now, look like we're at the end of this move here. So we have some a little bit minor correction before we can shoot it up and finish the whole move in beginning of the October. Okay, so we still straight in the long side, and we still buying the dip along the market is still in the uptrend on the bigger time frame. We still continue to buy in the dip and push it back up higher. Okay, but in the meantime, there is some correction right now, so we have to see how far they can go. So this is the play that you have to watch out for the reversal. Okay, so we have to trade in the upside until they prove to be correction on the bigger time frame, and then we will change the direction. So stay with the upside as we can and continue to make the money. Usually we come to the holiday season, and everything it look like it try to put it back up, and everybody spending more, and everybody happy. So the market it usually go up, but we have to always watch out for something reversal. Okay, and for the Dow still continue to push it back to the upside, and you can see that on the bigger time frame, it's still bullish. It's like ES, and then we are trying to hit to this level here to see how far they can get up to this level. And over here, same thing. So we are kind of extended, but with still high, low. If coming down, they have to show it, the trend direction, it revert by the confirmation. Okay. Same thing for NQ. NQ is pretty strong because semiconductor and the tech stock and doing pretty well. So they still push it up in the upside, as you can see. And right now we are now trying to pull it back a little bit before we can get some momentum and put it back up higher. All right, and the Russell, it be able to break out it up down trend line here, and then now look like they are trying to correct here before they can get out. So they tuck into this down trend line here. So we have to see here how far they correct down before they can revert and come back up and finish the final move. Okay, and for the oil it look like it's still bullet. They try to get back to the box here, as we can see. So at this moment, they still do in the upside. So they tuck in it to parallel channel here. So, but they have the hole up here. So right now, if they pull back up here, if they hold here at this level, they revert, and then they can put it back up higher. If they not, they will go and test this level here before they can shoot it back up higher. All right, so that's for oil. For natural gas, natural gas is still stuck into this area here. So this is a buy zone. So let's see how they're going to handle here. Because the natural gas, they wait for Thursday. They have an inventory of natural gas. So that's where they will go sideways here until that news come out and before they can move higher or lower. Okay. So this week we don't have much economic announcement except on the Wednesday we have a Fed day again. So I don't think it's any major change in the market. So you see holiday coming, so everything is okay. Today we don't have much. Tomorrow we have a housing data. Wednesday we have a FOMC, and Thursday we have natural gas. And I think that's it, for this week. So nothing will call the market violent except Wednesday. Let's see how they are now the interest rate. Okay, so for gold is the hit to the this bison here. They stuck around here. So, but we have to be a little bit careful here. So right now the gold they hit to the this bottom here. They shoot it back up, and then they pull it back down here. So we have to be careful. If the gold is able to break out this level, then the market it can going down. But if the gold is hold this level and fail, it will continue to go lower. Okay, so technically on the bigger time frame, we are still in the downside, but they may have a little while up here and then come back down again until they break the downtrend line here and go higher. Okay, so right now we have to watch out for this level here. They can shoot it back up and then they can continue to go lower. But if they take away this high and then they go higher, then we have to be careful. That will be a new wave tree coming back up. Okay, so if you trade gold, then you have to be uh, see clearly what they're going to do. This is the final decision that they have to break this level to confirm the way number three up. Okay. So for the bond is still in correction. So right now it's the same thing. They still low, high, low, low. So as long as they still do that, okay, and then the market is still the dawn is still in the downside. If they take out this the downtrend line, the same thing like gold, and then they put the pressure on the market. So we have to be careful on this level here. Okay. So for the euro at the top here since last week, as we mentioned, so that when they pull back down here, they hold up, so now they try to pull it back up. So in the way up, so they stop here. Okay, they will come down a little bit before they can go higher. Okay, in order to go higher, they have to do one more lap, and before they can do this, and before they can go higher. Okay, and that for the Bitcoin is still in the correction sideways here. Okay, so right now they in here, and then after here they put it back here, and then in order for them to get out, okay, they have to get out a bit flat here, and in order to go higher. Same thing here. This is the support area here. So if they be able to hold up here and break this high here, they will chain up here. Okay, so right now, as long as they tuck into this flat here, it go nowhere until they break out, and then that's where the new trend of the Bitcoin will go. And the Ethereum it still goes sideways, as you can see here. In order for them to go higher, they need to break this level and go higher. If they go up, they go sideways. Okay, they may record along here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before they can go higher. Okay, so that's how overall market for uh, all of the indexes. And let's see, 5 more minutes before the market open. Let's see how things going, and then we will go from there. So so far so good. The market is still up, so we stick with the uptrend. Okay, so let's see how things going. All right, so that's all the market forecast this week for all of the indices. Hope you like it, and then we will go from there. We'll see you in the next video.